James Renouf here,
And Max G.
and welcome to AI Lead Automator. Get excited, get pumped, because this is absolutely insane. This is something that people have been wanting, have been asking for ever since I've been in online marketing. But today, it finally comes. What is the lifeblood of any business? The lifeblood of any business, especially online, is leads. But that's the thing. People are like, how do I get leads? Do I have to make a big YouTube channel? Do I have to go out there and have a web page? Do I have to do all this crazy tech? A lot of times the answer is yes. But now it's not just the fact that you don't have to do any of that stuff. It's the fact that on demand, with the click of a button, you can literally get not just a lead, but basically all the leads you can stand for any niche that you want. Max and I are going crazy with this. We just discovered this not too long ago, and we're getting all kinds of leads for the make money online niche is what we focus on. Now we're getting finally into other niches. We're getting into painters. We're getting into the weight loss niche. Why? Because we can push a button and get the perfect leads just like that. And they're downloaded to us. If we want to put them onto a list, boom, we can do that. If we want to sell those leads, that is another huge aspect of this, and we get the money. We get paid, and then we get the leads. Again, we just push a button. It's crazy to think, but it's real. Get any leads that you want, real-time, verified leads, explode your business, explode your list, and or get paid for other people that want these leads. And the thing is, the amount of money that you can get paid for these leads is absolutely insane. Max, you know we're pumped about this. You know we're excited about this. We're growing our business like crazy. And now we're bringing it to the community because guess what? We can't go after every single niche in the world. There's only so much time in the day. Normally, we wouldn't necessarily even share something like this because it's so freaking powerful. But you know what? We can't go after every niche, but now you can. Max?
Yeah, I'm really super excited that we can release something like this. This is a huge game changer. As James already said, the lifeblood of any online business are leads. So you need leads in order to be able to make money online, period. This product here will give you leads. When we discovered this product or this strategy, where we were like blown away. We didn't believe that something like this exists and that it's that easy. This is really like copy and paste leads. Like, can you click a button? Yeah, of course you can. Now you can get leads by just clicking a button. Leads in any niche, leads that you can use for your own business or that you can sell to people who are looking for leads in all kinds of niches. This is amazing. This is super insane. So make sure to click on the button right now. AI can do everything for you. So even if you have never made a single cent online before, even if you don't have a following on social media, no website, you don't need any of that stuff. You need to be able to click on a couple of buttons and you will get a flood of fresh leads right into your autoresponder or wherever you want them in a matter of seconds. Like, this is insane. Click on the buy button down below and I hope to see you inside.